Hey everyone, let's start with question number 1, Analog Electronics asked in GATE examination 2025 in Electronics and Communication branch. The question says, a simplified small signal equivalent circuit of a BJT based amplifier is given below. The small signal voltage gain V0 by Vs in volt by volt is. So in this question, the question is asked for voltage gain. To find voltage gain, which is nothing but V0 by Vs. So the best possible approach is to use the KVL here in the first path and in the second path. So we will write the KVL equation for first equation starting from voltage source Vs. Then there is a drop across Rs resistance, which can be written as Rs into Ib. Then there is again a drop corresponding to R pi, which is R pi into Ib, and this comes out to be ground. So Vs is equals to Rs plus R pi into Ib. Now this is your first equation. The second equation is, if you go from ground to V0 here, and V0 is the voltage which you are checking. So the path, if you are ever confused about this path, what about this path is always open circuit. So no current flows in this path. So whatever current which is given here, which is nothing but beta into Ib, is nothing but flowing from this side, ground to V0. We can write this as beta into Ib. Now I hope it is clear. We will write the second equation, 0, which is ground, minus RL into Ib, beta Ib, I am sorry for this, beta Ib, which is nothing but equals to V0. This is your second equation. Now if we replace Ib from equation 2 in equation 1, we will get our desired ratio. Now Vs can be written as Rs plus R pi, and Ib can be replaced as minus V0 over RL beta. Yes, I think so, it is correct. Yes. Now as for V0 upon Vs, which is nothing but minus beta RL Rs plus R pi. So which option is correct? Option A is correct. This question only shows the toughness of the circuit, but there is nothing used, or just instead of using KVL. So sometimes the questions looks like this is from analog, but it is basically of network, I can say, because if someone doesn't know about this is a pi model or minimized form, so one can go through the network analysis and only solve the KVL equations and can find the voltage gain. Thank you.